Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss an easy and nutritious breakfast recipe that you can prepare for your kids. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as it provides energy and nutrients to kickstart their day. So, let's dive into the recipe. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of oatmeal. 2 1 cup of milk or yogurt, your choice of flavor. 3 a quarter cup of fresh fruit, for example berries, banana. 4 a handful of spinach or kale, optional. 5 a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now, let us move on to the preparation steps. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the oatmeal and a cup of milk or yogurt. Mix well to combine. Step 2. Add the sliced fruits and a handful of spinach or kale if using. Mix again to combine. Step 3. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Step 4. Serve the oatmeal mixture in a bowl and enjoy. This easy oatmeal breakfast is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. It can be easily customized according to your kids' preferences. You can replace the fruit with their favorite berries or add some scrambled eggs for an extra protein boost. Plus, you can always prepare the oatmeal mixture the night before and reheat it in the morning for a quick and convenient breakfast. So, there you have it, a delicious and easy to make oatmeal breakfast for your kids. Enjoy and happy eating!